I always forget just how little sunlight I have during wintertime out here, because I know it's pushing 3:45 and I'm already starting to lose light. And I'm gonna do a little sneaky camp on the river. It's gonna be cold tonight, but you know what? If you're not challenging yourself, what's the point? So let's get cold together. Maybe catch some fish. If I catch one, definitely gonna eat it tonight because I didn't pack any food. Let's have some fun too. All right, let's see who's biting. Ooh, okay. This little dinner fish. Perfect size for tonight. Okay, so I'm just sitting here having some fun. Holy cow, I hooked into something huge. I thought I'm just gonna cast a couple more times, you know, see if I can get a couple more bites. I doubt anything's gonna happen, but something big. Oh my gosh. I can't believe he's still on. Woo-hoo, baby. Let's see here. Oh, that's a good fish right there. Holy cow. Come here, big mama. Oh, jeez. Look at this chunk. Look at that rainbow. Look at that mama. Man. That's a good rainbow. Nice fish. Almost too dark to see. Alright. Come on. Come on, baby. Alright, here you go. Alright, I gotta say, that fish was a pleasant surprise. But in true Frank Finney fashion, I forgot myself a lighter, so I'm gonna rely on what I have. These leaves are really damp. It is just a little bit after 6 and it's dark out. Oh baby, be crispy. Well, I might as well get into some dry socks. Ooh, because I brought them. We got a nice thick sleeping bag. It's actually Susie's. Thanks, babe. And then I brought a wool blanket to kind of cocoon myself. Oh yeah, that's loads better. I think everything's drying out nicely. Yeah, that's looking good. I think I'm about ready. Get myself all set up. Oh yeah, that's really good. Okay. Definitely written. Oh. And plenty of it. I made to about, it's almost 4 o'clock, so I got about 3 more hours of this. And I think by the time I get out of here, it'll stop raining. Ooh, I'm getting kind of impatient because I kind of want to go fishing. But I have to wait, at least an hour and a half. But hopefully the rain stops. Well, I know it's hard to tell, but it is starting to get a little bit lighter out. And the rain's starting to die down. Oh, there's a bite. Here we go. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4 deer. What's up, everybody? Don't mind me, I'm just fishing. There we go. Yeah. Good fish. There we go. Oh, yeah. Good fish. Ooh. Yeah, buddy. The Boise sure has some nice rainbows. Look at that. Good fight, too. All right, bud. See ya. Oh, there's another fish. Another guy. Small. Ooh. Another fish. The bite is definitely on. Definitely on. I think I have just enough time to walk down a little bit, fish one more hole, and see who's willing to come out and play. And then I'm gonna get on out of here. Oh, this cold feels so good. I just love it. Bite. There we go. Good fight. Good fight. Another good one. Alrighty. Well, that was a lot of fun. I'm gonna get on out of here, put my fire out, mosey on up, and work my way back to the car. I really appreciate your time watching my videos. I hope you found it entertaining, and I hope to see you next time.